Now I wonder how many husbands are watching right now showing their wives this video saying, see, there is a complete reason to get these. It is justifiable. It gets me outside. You've been complaining I've been sitting around the house too much. You want me to do more gardening work. Justifiable. How big is the garden?
It is about 30 by 40 feet.
What do you want me to do?
There's beets and beans. I need you to kind of weed up, aerate along that with the ripper. That'd be great on either side.
I can use my RCs?
You can use your ripper. Your excavator I have no need for.
I have a need for it. Weeding. If I'm pulling weeds, I need something that can dig deep.
You're ripping it up first. We gotta grade. We gotta do that. Bulldozer first.
My dad always told me to make a game out of chores. Does this qualify?
You have to.
Happy wife, happy life. I'm not gonna argue. All right, so here's the crew I'm gonna work with today. This is the Spyker Workshop Cat K80. Actually, almost 100% 3D printed except for the lights and the hardware. It's actually amazing what this machine can do and how large it is. That's going to be my dump truck for today. Next is the 58-pound Bulldozer from RC 4-wheel drive. That thing is all metal. In behind that, I've got the 4200 XL version 1.5. That's a 45-pound beast, the Earth Digger 2. And behind that, on the far back side there, it looks small from here, but that also weighs in at close to 50 pounds. That's the Earth Mover 870K from RC 4-wheel drive. So all of these ones are all metal and very heavy. This one here, all 3D printed and very light and easy to use. So I think this is going to be a good setup and good team for today. Looks like she's good to fire up here. All clear? All right. Oh yeah, she's good to go. $58, all metal. Let's do this. Always adjusting the ripper up and down here. Works great though. Cut a nice solid line right down the center. Gonna lift that ripper up. And of course the angle of the ripper is controlled with this dial left and right. And then up and down is left and right here. Very strong. Let's keep going. I would think for such a heavy machine it would have way more of a difficult time pulling itself through the dirt, but it really doesn't. I definitely have to you know, raise and level it though as I go and hit the hard spots, but not being a full-size operator, I'm sure that's exactly what you have to do anyway. For those that are wondering, these are 1/14 scale. Yes, my wheel loader is 4-wheel drive. I can lock and unlock the diffs. There we go, that should give us lots of room. So for those flowers, she'll have my head. I think this is the way I'm going to be planting forever now. This is taking me a lot less time than I thought it was going to. This bulldozer is ripping through pretty quick. I better slow down. All right, let's fire up those pumps. Big lumbering heavy machine. At 40, 43, 44 pounds, you know, this thing is run on 2 brushed motors with a 3S LiPo, and it's heavy enough that it digs through moderately firm soil. Okay, coming in pretty much on approach. I'm gonna start digging, but first I need to get that ripper in here. I don't have a ripper on this one. Unfortunately, I do have the ability to put a ripper on it. I just don't have my quick connect for this bucket. So gonna have to use the dozer, get it in here and rip up a little bit beside these weeds so I can pull them out properly. Make a pile of weeds I can pick up with the loader here. Ooh, too much pressure on the bucket. Perfect. Get all that out of there. I can level it again when I'm done. That's just dirt. I guess I should just have a dirt pile. It's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it. One feature I would have liked on this bulldozer is a tilting blade to go forward. Like I can tilt it left and right, but forward and backward would have been ideal. There we go, that's coming along nicely. I think the loader can definitely get that. Big turn on this machine. But what's great about it is having locking differentials and unlocking differentials. You can get quite a bit of torque and power from this machine. Nice big scoop. Gonna have to come around on the outside here. The truck's pretty close. Nice and careful over the edge, and a clean dump. Hey, what do you think?
Well, you're doing a good job. You got the
Thanks.
weeds in the middle.
I do have the weeds in the middle.
Yeah.
Are you satisfied? Keep working. Oh, do I gotta? There we go, that's a nice bucket full. Gotta turn on a... Okay, we better dump the bucket. Okay, time to get these weeds out of here. Hi, Jam. And Bob. And Bob.
How are you?
Right into the compost pile, babe. I really like the fact that I can do like a 0 turn with this thing. Basically meaning I turn in one spot. Whoa. Okay, now forward. Let's go. Okay, what do you need?
Need you to rip my beets still?
Yeah, like
I
what do you
also need
mean?
to rip
Because
the
there's only one row. Do you want me to go on either side?
Yeah, you do have to go on either side just to kind of aerate that grass around there.
Okay.
And then I also need you to do a little bit on either side of the beans too.
Yes.
And I got a bunch of picking to do.
Now you're just leaving?
Yeah, I did my harvest, but when your work is done, my work can start, so...
Hurry up. Okay, I'll hurry up.